If you want to block mobile data for specific apps on Motorola Moto G87, then unfortunately we do not have a built-in option that allows us to choose which apps should have access to mobile data and which apps should not have access to that. But what we can do is we can download a third-party app that allows us to do so. So if we go to the Play Store and over here use the search option, then we should be able to search for probably something like block mobile data or something like that. But in my case, I'm gonna use the NetGuard app, which is something that I have used before. And we're gonna install this app. I'm gonna show you how to use this app in order to block the mobile data. But feel free to try any other app in case you don't like this one or in case it doesn't work for you. So we're gonna open the app once it is ready. Tap on I agree over here, and then we have a couple of things that we need to do to make sure that it works just fine. First, we need to tap on this switcher here in the upper left corner in order to turn on the app. The app uses a local VPN to filter internet traffic, so we're gonna tap on OK, and then one more time, and then once again. Then over here in app battery usage, you want to find the NetGuard app. So let's scroll down. Here it is. You want to tap on allow background usage and you want to set it to unrestricted. And then we're gonna exit these settings. Now over here we can tap on this orange text where we have to grant notification permission. And let's do so. Here we have some information that might be relevant. So for example, we can find out how the app will work specifically. So be sure to read that and press OK once you read everything. Now here we have the list of apps for which you can, for example, toggle the mobile data or even Wi-Fi, but let's focus on mobile data. So if you want to turn off mobile data for a specific app, you can just tap on the mobile data icon over here, and then that specific app cannot use mobile data anymore. What you can also do is you can tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and go to settings, and then here we can choose default, so you can, for example, block mobile data by default for every app. And if you go back, then you can, as you can see, every app has blocked mobile data, so even if you install new apps, automatically they will have the mobile data blocked. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.